fish. Is purchasing the new Quantum, or the second-hand Quantum. One of the gigs that's recommended is the changing of the water filter. So we're going to do that because obviously taking possession of the van, we want to make sure we've got nice clean water, and so we're going to crawl inside and have a bit of a look. So our first job in our replacement van is changing out the water filters, which are on this side, the twin water filters. So I'm doing those. Best thing to do, get yourself a strap wrench. So these are your new filters, two different ones. And again, having the strap wrench is a real bonus. In terms of process, best to put the furthest one away, the 2 units. So the one closest to the bathroom comes out second, but I'd be putting it back in first, just because of the amount of room you've got for your hand to move the strap wrench, etc. And then the last thing, do up the Velcro that holds them.
Wraps around them.
Yep.
And the left-hand one goes in first.
And there we go.
Then one comes around.
We're done. Run your taps for a while, get all the air out, and you're done. Yeah, you run it as well, just to basically bed in your filters, I suppose. There you go. Cheers.